handmade. See how small it is. So beautiful. So right now I'm in the main market of Patiala, and this market is called AC Bazaar. You can see. So right now I'm inside the shoe shop, and he's going to tell me about the shoes and their price and everything. Patiala shoes. Juti. Okay. Mhm. So these shoes are called Punjabi Juti. Okay. हाँ. They have different varieties of Punjabi shoes, which you can see over here. And peacock. See, this shoe has peacock print. You can see over here. Oh wow. They have such a nice collection. These all are handmade shoes.
थोड़ा हल्का क्वालिटी का ये
रेट
जो लेदर आता है ना वो रैक्सिन होता है पर लेदर के पे बेचते हैं ये आपको 500 की मिल जाएगी
Okay. So they have the Punjabi shoes, like it's called in Hindi Punjabi jutis, and it starts from 900, I think. Yeah, prices it starts from 900 and goes to till. Okay. They have their shoes of rupees 200 also. You can see 600. Yeah, oh, here they have from 200 to 600, and like these all are handmade. So these are from, these are starting price is 900. Okay. Okay, now too much of shoes now. Thank you, Jibhai. So after shoe shop Punjabi, I showed you the Punjabi shoes which are famous worldwide, I think. Yeah, it is. And now I'll show you some Punjabi dresses which are very famous. And this is the main market of Patiala. Now right now I'm in Sahibi Emporium, and they sell the famous Punjabi dresses, and I'll show you in some time. And this is the sari, Fulkari sari. Its color is so nice, so bright. It is shining. And this is handwork, handicraft they have done. So nice. This is sarees. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. They have sari also. Okay, this is 500, 1200. Okay, the price of this pink sari is 1200, and this handmade one is 5000. This is 1200 and this is 5000. This one is 5000 because of its handicraft. Yeah, handwork, handmade it is. These sarees are so nice. Wow. Dupatta. Oh my god, this is dupatta for Punjabi bride. And this is how much? 7. This dupatta is of 7000. This is very beautiful. Wow. This dupatta is really nice. So this is the traditional dupatta of Punjab, where they use it for any big occasions, whether it's a marriage or anything. This is compulsory, and the starting price of this fulkari, this is called fulkari. It is 1800, no? Yeah, it starts from 1800 and it can goes up to 10,000. So this is the main thing of Punjabis. Now you saw the dupatta. Now I'll show you they will show me the fulkari shoot. Basically this is used for wedding, I think. They use this fulkari for wedding. Oh. Okay. And this they put it on top of the car. They decorate car with this for wedding. I think I'm inside the wedding dresses shop. And price of this? 20,000. 2200. And this one is of 2200. The car cover cutting decoration. Oh. And this one is the Fulkari dress for female, na? Hmm. Oh. This is for suit material, and this is their dupatta. Nice. It is so colorful. It's so nice to wear. And price? 100. And the price of this suit material is 2500, including dupatta, na? Okay. This is suit. Oh, suit. Okay, this is also Fulkari, na? Okay, these all are Fulkari dresses, and this is also for suit and dupatta you can see over here. So nice. Price? 4? Okay, this is a 4000. So this is their market, you can see. Here they have lehengas, sarees, wedding dresses. Here also they have clothes. What do you sell here? This clothes? So suit materials are over here, dress for females. And here you can see the shoes. So nice to be here. They have all the collections. They have collection of watches. They have collection of Punjabi wedding dresses. Here everything is authentic. The real Punjab, the real Patiala, if you want to see, you can see in this market. It's amazing. See the clothes they have. Sarees I think here also. Punjabi suit materials. Actually, clothes they have. All kind of garments you can get over here. They sell it on the basis of meter, and it is 100 rupees per meter. And this is suit material, na? Okay, this is suit material. And okay. See, ladies kurtis you can check out over here. It's how much? Okay, this is of 600. and and kids garments you can see over there. But okay, okay. What's the name of your shop? Ludhiana Garment. Okay, so if you want to buy this kind of things, you can buy it from Ludhiana Garment. You will see at the end of AC Bazaar, I think. So if you want to buy any clothes or any fabrics, you can buy it from here. Adalat Bazaar, na? Adalat Bazaar. And you can see the shop over here. You'll get to see lots of shop over here.
जी मैम लोअर मिल जाएगी टी शर्ट मिल जाएगा
Okay.
लोअर टी शर्ट
Lower also you can buy.
तो जीन भी मिल जाएगी मैम
Okay. Jeans also you can see. You can buy, whatever you want from here. This market is the biggest market of Patiala. Okay. Now it's time to leave from here. So right now I'm inside this shoe market. What's the name of your shop? What?
दिलीप
Dilip Jyoti. Okay. The name of this shop is Dilip Jyoti shop, and they sell only Punjabi shoes over here.
350 से 350 से
Mm-hmm.
5000 तक है, अलग अलग रेंज
Okay.
लेदर में अलग है, अलग अलग वैरायटी में अलग, जेंट्स में अलग है।
Okay. So they have shoes starting from 350, and it can goes up to 5,000, right? And now they are going to show me the Punjabi shoes, different varieties, different style. You will get to see. Okay. So this is a Patiala shoe. It's handmade or what?
यस यस
Okay, oh, this shoe is handmade and it is with cushion. See the inside. Oh. This is how much? Okay, this shoe is of 5,500, and this is totally handmade shoe. Okay. You know, these Punjabi shoes are very famous over here, and I'm exploring the biggest market of Patiala. So whenever you are here, if you want to buy Punjabi juti or Punjabi shoes, you can visit these gullies, this market, and you can buy it from here. Okay. Okay. Ladies, that is how much? 1250. 1000? Okay, 1250 rupees that is for watching. Okay. This is also handmade. This okay. This shoe is also handmade, and it is also with cushion. Punjabi people have so much craze for Punjabi shoes. So nice to see so many shoes, traditional shoes over here. Guys, they also take order for shoes. So if you want to order any shoes or you want any this kind of shoes, I'll put their contact information in my video, so you can get in touch with them. You can order them if you want, and also through WhatsApp they can yeah, you can, they can show you that they also do the parcel, so you can do whatever you want.
all country otherwise could be.
Okay, they supply worldwide, so if you are from any part of the world, you can order it from them. And now I'm in different Punjabi shoe store. This is also a Punjabi shoe.
न्यू आइटम है,
Okay, this is brand new, and it's handmade.
हैंडमेड।
Yeah. If you are coming to Patiala and if you want to buy shoe, mostly you will see the handmade shoes.
ये हैंड पेंटिंग है मैडम।
Okay. Hmm. See, hand painting. Nice. Shoe is of 950. It's starting from 950, I think. Okay. And for kids also, you can see the shoes for kids.
बेबी शूज।
Baby shoes. See, so cute it is. Shoe piece also. See how small it is. Looks so beautiful.
सारा हैंडमेड है मैडम, स्टिचिंग
Okay, this shoes is handmade and it's pure leather. It's handmade. See how small it is. So beautiful.
ये मैडम शू बहुत अच्छा है।
Okay.
बिना जॉइंट का,
Without joint.
विदाउट जॉइंट, कहीं पे कोई जॉइंट नहीं है,
Okay.
फुल लेदर का, बहुत
हम्म।
सुंदर है।
See, look at these shoes.
बिना जॉइंट, कहीं
Okay.
पे कोई जॉइंट।
There is no joint in this shoe. Wow. Now, how much this is?
नो मैडम, सेल के लिए नहीं,
Oh, these shoes are not for sale.
नॉट फॉर सेल। ये 2002 के अंदर तैयार हुई मैडम।
Oh,
ये इसका डेट डाला हुआ है।
Oh, here's the date also, if you can see. 11. Okay. They made it in 11/8/2002.
बिना जॉइंट की जुती है ये
Oh,
हमारे फादर साहब ने तैयार की है जुती
oh, this shoe is made by his father, and this is without joint.
विदाउट जॉइंट
That's why it's not for sale.
ऐसे कोई जुती तैयार नहीं हो सकती
Oh, without joint, no?
बहुत दिमाग से
It's it's very rare to see this kind of shoes without joint, without stitches, na?
प्योर लेदर
Uh-huh.
जैसे ना
It's
जुती के
pure
ऊपर joint
leather.
आ जाता ना ये देखो एक जॉइंट ऐसे आ गया
Oh, that
ये
is joint.
विदाउट जॉइंट
Oh, this thing is called joint. If you can see this one, the lines you can
जैसे
see.
ये एक जॉइंट यहाँ आ जाता है
Mm-hmm. See, you can see this thing,
इस पे कहीं पे
and here also you can see that is called joint.
इस पे कहीं भी कोई जॉइंट नहीं
And this shoe has no joint. Oh my god. It's very rare to see this kind of shoes. Nice. Now again I am in the traditional Punjabi shoe shop, and I don't know, everyone is calling me and they want to show me their shoes. Actually, it's so nice to be in the shoe market where you will get to see the authentic, the handmade Punjabi shoes. So these are the shoes. See, this is how much?
ये मैडम होलसेल में है कम से कम भी 450 रुपये का पीस।
This okay. This is 400, 450. 450.
600 का होलसेल में।
Okay.
होलसेल प्राइस है।
Okay, he's telling me the wholesale price, and that shoes are of 600 rupees. INR, yeah.
ये डिजाइन भी
So you can see the different design and varieties of shoes. They have so many shoe collections over here, different
हमारा
varieties.
कार्ड
And this is their visiting card.
200 का।
Okay, this is their visiting card. These shoes have come from Pakistan. You can see.
हैंडमेड।
Okay, this is handmade sleeper. You can see. Or gents. That is gents Pakistani shoe, if you can see. That is also Pakistani shoe, and these all are handmade. That is for male. See.
चरी गुस्सा।
Okay, Jari Gussa. Pakistani only, na? That is also Pakistan.
विदाउट नॉन
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is simple Pakistani shoe. That one.
गुस्सा।
Okay. This is also different kind of shoe. They wear this kind of shoes for state programs. Okay. This is a Jalsa shoe. Okay. That is simple shoe. That is how much?
ये पड़ेगी आपको 1100 रुपये की। और
Okay.
चमड़े में पतरे की खाल।
The shoe is of 1000, and it's made of the shoe is made of goat's skin. Nothing happened. Nice. They have for ladies also, and same. Okay. That is also for female, for ladies. That is also made of goat's skin. Oh, nice. Here is shoe collection. Mm-hmm.
ये ऊँट के खाल की से
Okay. That shoe is, that one is made of camel skin. And
ये पटियाला
this is Patiala Fulkari. And guys, okay.
सूट भी बनता है इसका,
Mm-hmm.
सूट भी इसी
And you know, guys, whenever you hear the word Fulkari, na, you should know that it's for wedding. And now I'm in another shoe shop. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Handmade, na?
सब हैंडमेड
Okay. These all shoes are handmade. These are traditional Punjabi shoes. Okay. And these shoes are, if you can see, yeah, Fulkari, na? These are Fulkari for wedding, for kids. And that one is, the rose one is printed shoes. See. This shoe street is so big, and now finally I am done with Punjabi traditional shoes tour, and I'll end my today's video over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.